This week on Joe Reads the News.
Do you want to read Nellie? Is that related to the other Gustafsson, Kelly? Kelly and Nellie? Yeah. Melinda Vithrana celebrates it, and that's the only reason we know about it.
And Melinda's great. So I even before I went to Microsoft, I was talking to him and TJ when Power BI first came out, when it was Project Crescent.
Oh wow!
So, and then when I was going out and I was doing presentations on Power BI at the user groups, and then I'd always talk to Melinda. He's great.
Connect.
Oh, you're not a connection?
With Melinda, I follow him.
Yeah, connect. He's great to talk to. He's really personable. Say, Murray.
We love you. Heart, Murray, Fife, and Josie. I'll send you a link, YouTube short on your cameo on Joe Reads the News. And we actually miss him a lot in the data world because he was out on that Yammer site, or the, what is it called? Viva Engage. And then he got bounced up to something else AI wise.
Yeah. And TJ,
I don't hear from him at all.
He I talked to him last week. So
is he still doing reporting and BI and all that?
He's you can look him up. He's moved, and if anyone needs or is interested in like data governance and then performance management, I think he likes to specialize in, then check out TJ Vassar. He's a great resource and available. So.
Oh man, he's not with Microsoft anymore?
No.
Oh my gosh, that's
he went to another partner, and now I think he's independent. So yeah, so you can look him up.
Well, you have to tell us about Fabric data agents.
Oh yeah, I'm just looking at all the emojis. I'm thinking
you were completely thrown by all the confetti and check marks.
Yeah. So I like clean posts. I don't like, but that's just me.
You got like the confetti, the fist pound, the fire emoji.
Yeah. So, but anyway, Fabric data agents can now handle larger schema sizes. We've officially lifted the previous schema size restrictions. Add data sources up to 1,000 tables. Data agents support data sources with 100 plus columns and measures. Learn more about this blog post at blah, 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 blah.
So data agents can now handle larger schema, which just means that at some point you just had to feed it something small. And you could load all of the F&O tables. That'd be great. We're going to turn F&O into F and yes. Data agents support data sources with 100 plus columns and measures. That's third F-bomb in there. Expanded data agents.
No, F and O my. I'm going to trademark that.
Into F and O my. Like. All right, so we're going to say.
That would be funny.
We'll start